So, students, good afternoon to all of you. Today I am here with another example for the solving the numerical, that is two machine design. In this two machine design, we have to calculate the main dimensions of machine 2 along with the armature design of the machine 2. बेसिकली इस न्यूमेरिकल में क्या है, आपके पास दो मशीन्स हैं, मशीन 1 एंड मशीन 2, जिसका कुछ गिवन डेटा आप लोगों को गिवन है. मशीन 1 का डेटा वी आर यूजिंग इन अ मशीन 2. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन मशीन 1 these are the given data that you are provided, that your Q is equals to voltage, frequency, speed, stator slots, conductors per slot, diameter as well as the length. Whereas for the machine 2 we have another data. Now what we have to do, we are calculating the main dimensions of this machine along with the armature design by using this data. So for that, what we have to do, first of all, we take the design details of this machine and whatever the data required to calculate the main dimension as well as the armature design for a machine 2, we can use this data from this machine. Is it okay? Now what we do, first of all, as we know, we are taking your machine number 1. Now in a machine number 1, what is happen? You have voltage is equals to 3.3 kV. That means 3300, but this machine, as we are discussing, is a star connected, so we have to convert this star connected voltage into a phase voltage. So that is why we are divided by √3, so the voltage will be given is 19.0264, isn't it? After that, the speed is 300 rpm, so we have convert this speed into rps speed divided by 60, so the rps speed will be equals to 5 rps. Also, the total number of conductors per slot is 5 and total number of slots is equals to 180. Therefore, the total number of conductors is equals to conductors per slot into total number of slots, that is 5 into 180, and the value will be equals to 900. Is it clear to all of you? After that, we have pole P is equals to 120 F upon Ns, and we have frequency is equals to 50, Ns is equal to 300. So by substituting these values, we are getting your poles is equals to 20. Moreover, in case of a synchronous machine, we know total number of conductors Z is equals to 2 into M into TPH, where M is number of phases and TPH is turns per phases. So we have 2 into 3 into TPH. So from that relation, we can calculate the value of turns per phase. After that, we know in case of a synchronous machine, EPH is equals to 4.44 into F into phi m into TPH into kW. And from this relation, we are basically calculate flux, which is given by this formula. When substituting all these values, we are getting phi m is equals to 0.059. We are calculating this flux for calculating the specific magnetic loading. Because for calculating the main dimensions, we are required two things, that is specific magnetic loading and specific electrical loading. So by calculating the value of this flux, we are calculating specific magnetic loading by the formula BAV is equals to P phi upon pi dl. Now at this stage, we have P, we have phi, we have pi, we have D, we have L. So by substituting all these values, we are getting your BAV is equal to 0.4743. Is it clear to all of you? Now, after that, we are calculating the specific electrical loading, and specific electrical loading is equals to AC, that is IZ into Z upon pi D, where IZ is current per conductor, Z is total number of conductors. So IZ is equal to IPH upon 2 and IPH is equals to V upon voltage. So by substituting the values, we are getting IPH is equals to 524.86. Therefore, your IZ is equals to, as I have already explained, IZ is equals to IPH upon 2. So we get IZ is equal to this thing. So we have IZ, we have Z, we have pi, we have D. So by substituting these values in this equation, you are getting your AC is equals to 250. This value you can get. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, हम लोगों ने मशीन 1 से इसका BAV भी निकाल लिया, इसका AC भी निकाल लिया, और इस BAV और AC को नाउ वी कैन यूज फॉर डिजाइनिंग ऑफ मेन डायमेंशंस फॉर अ मशीन 2. Now we proceed for machine 2. Machine 2, your Q is equals to 1250. Speed is equals to 250 RPM. So I can convert this speed into RPS speed by divide by 60. It is 4.16. Similar formula, we can calculate the value of poles. We know that in case of a synchronous machine, C naught is equals to 11 into BAV into AC into kW 10 raised to power minus 3. So we have all these values. Therefore, your C naught is equals to 1225.43. Moreover, your Q is equals to C naught D square into LNS. So we have Q is equal to output. C naught is output coefficient by his formula. D square we have to calculate, and NS is speed in RPS. So by which we can calculate the value of D square L is equals to 2.39. Now we have to separate this D and L. So in that case, we are given the machine is rectangular pole. So for rectangular pole, the relation is L by tau is equals to 1. And moreover, this tau is equals to pi d upon P. I can substitute these values in the above equation, and when we can substitute this, and we can substitute these values, you can get D is equal to 7.64 and your L is equal to 0.417. So from this we can calculate the main dimensions of a machine 2 from machine 1. In the next lecture, we are discussing the same numerical. Now we are calculating its armature design. Hope so. अभी तक के लिए मेन डायमेंशंस एक मशीन्स का डेटा सेकंड मशीन्स में यूज करके हम लोग उसको कैसे कैलकुलेट हैं ये आप लोगों को अंडरस्टूड होगा. सो वी विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, जहां पर हम लोग सेम मशीन का डी और एल उठा के वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग इट्स आर्मेचर डिजाइन. क्लियर? थैंक यू सो मच.